Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. So I recently started day trading natural gas ETFs. That's /NG on the futures, and that's UGAZ and DGAZ on the ETFs that you can trade as the stocks. And if you are interested in trading that, you might have seen me open up that chat room tab today. It's just for that natural gas ETFs section, and that is open to everyone. So with these signals and the premium chat room is for memberships only, but I want to open this one up to everybody. And the only catch is that it might be a little bit delayed than the membership users. So the non-members will get all the alerts, we'll get all my analysis and charts and all the postings on there, but it'll just be a slight delay in that compared to the membership users, which have the live day trading alerts. So this is how the trading alerts go. I enter play by play just by the second before I'm about to take the entry, or right when I take it, I post a trade, and I play it just by the penny. I posted by there, my entry, exit, what stop loss I'm looking at, etc. So today I started that section right there, and I posted my entry at 33.15. I look at my exit targets first. Initial, I cut off half size, and then quarter position, and the quarter position from there. Or if I hit that solid profit, I take it there. I put a mental stop loss and a hard stop loss, and a brief description of why I'm using it there, and I say where to take profits, etc. So if you are interested in doing that, we also do have the natural gas chat where you can chat about that, and I'll post whenever the articles are released on it, when the natural gas report comes out, which is on Thursdays. And yeah, if you are interested in trading that, make sure to head over to my website. That's pinnacletrading.us, and you can join the chat room using the link by clicking join now, which also gives you a 1-week free trial of the premium chat room, and also that'll give you access to the chat room itself. If not, the link will be in the description to join the chat room. If you are interested in grabbing the membership, head over to the membership tab, and that's my membership plans right there. Simple month-to-month plan pricing. We also do offer the 6 to 12 month plan pricing, which saves you money in the long run, and also do have 1-to-1 mentorship plan where I teach you live custom plan specific to you and tailored to the trader and investor themselves, whether it's day trading, swing trading, investing, stocks or options, etc. We have all of that in the live 1-to-1 mentorship to get you started with day trading. So again, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos. I wanted to post this live update for you guys. Just a video, brief description on how I'll be doing it. So we have the chat room there and the alerts section there where I post the live trading alerts. Again, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think, and if you are interested in day trading these ETFs or gold or even silver ETFs or oil, etc., send me a message or post it in the chat room, and I can go ahead and add that section into the ETFs right there. Again, make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media, and again, hit that subscribe button and have a great day.